This is the GTS 3 Pro. It's a beautiful AMOLED screen smartwatch in always-on digital mode. Quick twist and you can light this puppy up in a really nice bright watch face. It'll time out and go back into always on. You also have a digital version of this always on display. Swipe down. You got your brightness, date, time, an integrated music player. Sure, it's got a speaker and a microphone. It'll do Bluetooth calling too. Do not disturb mode is right there. Come back here. I got a really bright flashlight on this one as well that you can see outdoors. Very, very nice. Because it's AMOLED, it's really good quality. Overall settings, information about the watch. You can ring your phone if you've lost it. Here's your pull-out tab with the current information, Bluetooth calling right there, and your most recently used apps along with weather condition and temperature. Going up, you get your information sent from the phone if you have any set to do that. This tab now shows you all of your activities for the day, your step count, calories burned, distance travel, a breakdown over a 24-hour period showing your steps and your last 7 days of data that you can see how well you're doing. Land on this one, you're into heart rate. It's giving you your current condition, your highs, your lows, where you are in your exercise at the moment, and it accumulates a 24-hour heart rate against the chart with your average shown. Last night's sleep time, sure, full, light, deep, and there's more in the app, 7-day listing in there as well. You've got weather conditions with forecast, Fahrenheit, centigrade, however you want to structure it. A really nice music player and an awesome, beautiful speaker. It really sounds good. And your activities that you can do, like walking, running, hiking, cycling, and so forth, are in this watch as well. When you tap the button, you get into your overall apps. You got all your phone calling, call records, and contacts. It does support Siri or the Google Voice Assistant directly on here. Workouts and your workout records, if you have any, will show up on the watch. In terms of biometric measurements, you saw heart rate, but we also can do blood pressure, blood oxygen on this one. Ladies, you got female cycle tracking. There's a breath training exercise. You got stopwatches, countdown timers, and alarms for your clock. Business card thing for NFC transfer of information. You can find your phone calculator, calendars. They're all built into this one. Overall settings with basic setting your time, your languages, vibration, extending your battery life, and many different ways you can change the overall display, including switching the always-on clock to a digital one. This one shows date, time, and your power level as well. It's a very nice watch, very lightweight. You can easily switch to different watch faces, tap and hold, slide it over, and you can download custom faces like this one. It's the GTS 3 Pro, guys. Check it out.